May I come in, sir?
Please, please come in.
Thank you, sir. Afternoon, sir. Afternoon.
Please have a seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
सितेश जी, कोविड-19 पैंडमिक की वजह से हम लोगों ने कैंडिडेट को लगभग 12 फीट की दूरी पे बिठा रखा है।
Yes, sir.
एक डिस्टेंसिंग फॉलो कर रहे हैं हम।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, और हम लोग का जो कन्वर्सेशन होगा वो नॉर्मली तो मास्क पहन के होगा, लेकिन अगर किसी पॉइंट पे चाहे आपको लगे या हमें लगता है कि हम कंफर्टेबल नहीं हैं बोलने में, तो हम उतार सकते हैं मास्क, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंसिंग चूँकि है ही है, ठीक
Yes,
है।
sir.
एक बार आपको मास्क उतारना होगा ताकि हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकें कि आप एग्जैक्टली वही कैंडिडेट हैं
Yes, sir.
जो वो देने आए हैं।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, बाकी आप एज़ पर योर कन्वीनियंस आप पहनना चाहें पहने या जैसा भी।
Sir, just a request.
हाँ
But I
प्लीज़।
would like to put it below my nose. My
ओके
vapors go into
ओके ओके,
specs.
नो इशू, नो
Then
इशू,
there are issues.
नो इशू।
Thank you.
ओके, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ सितेश।
Sir, I am Sitesh from Darbhanga, Bihar. I was born in a village named Neuri, which is in Darbhanga district. I
ओके
completed my education till 7th from Bihar only, from my village. After that, I moved to Bhopal with my uncle, where I completed rest of my education till 12th.
ओके
In 12th, I appeared for IIT JEE. Then I cleared it and I went to ISM Dhanbad, where I completed my BTech from petroleum engineering. I completed my engineering in 2015, and then I joined Allen Carrier Institute, where I worked for 2 years, and in 2017 I resigned, and after that I worked for I started preparing for civil services examination. My hobbies are, sir, traveling and cleaning.
ओके। यू डिडंट गेट एनी जॉब आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर ग्रेजुएशन?
So 2000 was very a different year. First of all, the whole petroleum engineering had collapsed due
Okay.
to fall of oil prices.
ओके
So at 2-3 companies I had interview played, which
Okay.
suddenly got cancelled.
ओके
And during training season, when I was there in training for second and third year, I
ओके
had literally not got that feel that I wanted to continue in this field.
व्हाई?
Sir, first of all, the location is very inaccessible.
ओके
So the issue is not location,
Huh.
but issue is when I have to work in that situation, then there was no purpose that I was finding in that area. The only thing that I thought was available was money. Apart
Okay.
from that, the location, the work shift, and the purpose, that was all which I did not want at all.
ओके।
Yes,
You are from Darbhanga.
yes, sir.
Tell us at least 3 striking features of Darbhanga.
In today's environment, the best thing that I find about Darbhanga is the religious tolerance, which is, I think, the best thing which I miss at many places.
Okay.
It is a place where Hindus, even I have, for mythical reasons, my parents would take me to the Muslims, and Muslims would come to Hindus. This is the best thing.
Okay.
Second thing, from cultural point of view, Darbhanga is the cultural is said to be the cultural capital of Bihar.
Okay.
Since at least since Ramayana is at least,
Okay.
King Janak was ruling there,
Okay.
and Ma Sita is from there only.
Okay.
So from cultural point of view, from Ramayana till at least Darbhanga Raj, it was
Okay.
a flourishing center for Maithili language, for Mithila painting,
Okay.
and other forms of culture. So that is the second feature. Third feature would be, sir, one of the place. There is a place named Kusheshwar Asthan, bird sanctuary,
Okay.
which when I was there I was staying in my village till 7th class.
Okay.
I did not realize it was such a special place.
Okay.
When I started preparing for civil services examination, then only I realized there is a place called Kusheshwar Asthan Bird Sanctuary,
Okay.
which is a protected area under Wildlife Protection Act
Okay.
1917. So I visited it laterward, and
Okay.
I found that place very interesting and very
Okay.
pleasing.
Mithila painting is now known as also Madhubani painting.
Yes, sir.
Is there any difference between Mithila painting and Madhubani painting, or they
Madhubani,
are same?
sir, Mithila painting has main cultural place at Madhubani, and most
Okay.
of the painters there are from Madhubani only. That's why it is also referred to as Madhubani. That Madhubani painting.
Could you
only.
tell us some styles of Madhubani painting?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is mainly religious based. So stories of Ramayana,
No, I am talking about styles.
styles. Okay.
There are some definite, I hope it's five styles
Yeah,
of Madhubani painting.
styles. Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
leave it, sir.
Sitesh,
Yes, sir.
if I do say that your name gives me reflection, a sign of the patriarchy, how you'd respond?
Sir, my name is Sita plus.
Specifically, when you come from the region which is maintained, which is like recognized as the land of the Sita.
Yes, sir.
Respond.
Sir, in medieval India, there was a cultural shift in our country with bhakti tradition, and as medieval India ended, there was a poet. Sorry, sir. Just a second. The father of modern Maithili literature, Chanda Jha, he came up with his book Mithila Bhasha Ramayana, and through his book, he presented Lord Ram as an Avatar Purush. So from there, Lord Ram started taking roots.
But I believe so that has been like my understanding,
Yeah.
a very general understanding, that like your region is mostly known for like women empowerment,
Yes, sir.
deity Sita. But even if like if your name suggests me Rama, who is a Purush, rather than Sita, an independent entity. So my question was about that, like still it gives me a reflection that your name, while you're coming from the region, still have the burden or the loads of the patriarchy.
Sir, if you permit me, then I can put it in a different way.
Quickly.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sita is a female name, so that was ruled out. But this is a way through which my father and my family thought I could connect myself to Ma Sita. The other way of which I could keep my name related to Sita was Sitesh. That is one who is the husband of the Sita.
At the same time, there are the regions in India where the male and the female names are the same. There is no like connotation as such, like the way you are presenting it, like Sitesh. So it means Ram. But when I say Vijay, when I say Rupesh, when I say Munesh,
Yes, sir.
so Munesh is the boy name, girl name in a region in India itself. So how these two things are different?
Sir, the name, the purpose behind my name is to identify Lord Ram with Sita.
Fine. What do you understand by the Brahminical patriarchy?
Sir, Brahmanical patriarchy would be a society where males are dominating.
Do we practice?
Yes, sir. I
in
think
India,
so.
Brahminical patriarchy is being
Mostly
practiced?
in rural areas. There is
not the urban areas.
Lesser form of.
Lesser forms.
Yeah.
So I believe so. You are aware of the Brahminical patriarchy as a concept.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Recently, SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization.
Yes, sir.
They have made an arrangement like the member country would translate their regional books into the 10 languages. In Hindi, there was a book which has been translated into the SCO languages. Which was the book in Hindi which has been translated?
Sorry, sir.
No idea. Fine. If I do say one nation, one election and one party, how you'd respond?
Not wanted.
Not wanted.
Yes, sir.
So one nation, one election may not necessarily resulted into the one party, but the multi-party system.
Yeah, still I not wanted.
Okay, still not wanted. You wanted to believe in multi-party system?
Yeah, of course. Yes.
Take it. If I do ask you, allowed to have a system which enables bi-party system, then how you like respond?
Still, I won't support it, sir.
Still you won't support.
Yes.
National Commission of the Women. My last question to you.
Yes.
National Commission of the Women, which is primarily meant for the welfare issues, women welfare issues.
Yes, sir.
We have seen it was not vocal when the Hathras case happened.
Yes, sir.
We have seen some high profile cases. Then it got into the vocal.
Yes, sir.
The relevance of the National Commission for the Women's in the present context, whether it should be done away with this because it's not performing its due duty, or it just happened to be the high class kitty party association.
Sir, it's a centralized system in India, National Commission of Women. It is very centralized, and our diversity is so much in our country. The extent is so much, aerial extent is so much, the cultural difference is so much that I think a centralized system would find it very difficult to.
So a person coming from the Bollywood and a person coming from the rural belt of India, you wanted to define in terms of the diversity, cultural diversity, and on the basis of the cases has to be dealt, when
Sir,
the mandate of the National Commission of the Women is to protect the interest of the women.
yes,
And
sir.
where had been the National Commission of the Women when Muzaffarpur shelter case was there?
Yes, sir, I was coming just, I wanted.
And recently we have seen in this news,
Yes,
a 13 years girl was found dead and hanged, and also found pregnant.
sir, I'm not getting the exact question that I need to address. Can you please put it?
I
in
have
the-
given a lot of the clue. Why still you're not able to find it out, the exact question?
All right, sir. Can
The
you please-
relevance of the National
Okay.
National
sir.
Commission for the Women,
Hmm.
whether it is performing its job or not.
Of course, no, sir. That I agree. It's not performing up to the potential.
The
or
mandate it has been
the
given.
mandate it is given. This is sure. But the reason
Your
is,
suggestion for this commission?
sir, this is what I have learned in literature. There are so much diversity in India, so much diversity, so much differences, that if we put a centralized system, it will never work in India. At most, the institutions which are coming
We
in
do have the
Delhi-
State Women Commission of India. We do have the district, the commission or the committees for the welfare of the women. Still, they are not able to perform their duties.
Sir, I am not aware of the district committees, district women committees, but as far as National Women Commission for Women is concerned,
Okay.
it will, from Delhi, it's sure that is not going to address.
It won't be able to help out the regional
It
concerns.
will
of the
never
women.
come up with its potential and the mandate.
So it may be true in the other commissions also.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
I'm quite sure about it.
Okay, sir.
Siddesh, you have just put your mask below your nose
Yes, sir.
just to avoid the formation of fog on your specs.
Yes, sir.
Why fog is going to form on your specs? What is the process of fog making?
Process of fog making.
On your specs. For that sake, you have put your mask below your nose?
Yes, sir. So the air comes from our mouth and then it strikes this and then it gets reflected.
Every time, in every season, you will get fog formation on your specs whenever you wear a mask?
Sir, mostly in winter.
Why?
I'm not sure. Sorry, sir.
Okay, what is fog? You just mentioned the word fog.
Yes, sir.
What is fog?
Sir, just a second, sir. I need to remind myself. Just a second. So when water droplets strikes a colder surface or get stick to the colder surface, much colder surface, then fog is formed.
I'm not getting the process.
Okay, sir. Let me try again. Fog is formed closer to the surface of Earth in winter season when temperature drops suddenly due to the terrestrial radiation, which Earth radiates in long wave form. When we have long night during winter season and the air is
You can
still.
remove your mask completely.
Yeah.
No issue in that.
Thank you, sir. The air is still and there is long winter night. Much more terrestrial radiation comes out of Earth. In that case, the air mass that is closer to Earth gets a sudden temperature decrease, which results in formation of fog on the surface of micronuclei.
Okay, is there any difference between fog and mist?
Fog and mist.
Have you heard
Yes.
the name?
Yes, sir. I have heard the name mist. I won't be.
Okay,
celebrating
okay.
things.
No, Sitesh, you are fond of traveling, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any difference between traveling and tourism?
Yes, sir.
Pointed difference, if you can tell me.
Sir, pointed. I don't know the official, but for
Okay.
me there is a difference.
Mhm.
So which I can tell if you permit
Yes.
me.
Please go ahead.
So tourism is mostly for enjoyment purpose, for relaxing purpose, and traveling has the first purpose is same. The second purpose is learning.
Okay. By tourism, you cannot learn.
The purpose is for me that the
Okay.
purpose for tourism
Okay,
is
for you, according to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have are being given 24 hours.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and a friend of yours comes to you and he said that I have just 24 hours and I want to see the Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from which part you will start and what could you make him see?
24 hours. Sir, where can you place my position?
Starting from your district, Darbhanga.
Sir, I will take him to first. I will ask him which is the type of place that he likes to visit.
उसको नहीं पता है आपके अकॉर्डिंग वो घूमना चाह रहा है.
His likes of places. According to then, I will take him to different places.
He depends on you.
Yeah. So I will take him to the nearby, which is around 20 kilometers from my place, Kusheshwar Sthan Bird Sanctuary. If it's a winter.
1 second.
Second, I will take him to Rajkila, the Darbhanga Maharaj house.
Right. Third.
Third, I will, if after that time permits, because Sarnath and Nalanda is a bit far away from our place. If time permits, then I will take him to there, sir, because that is also very culturally significant for us.
Okay. What is the area of Bihar, Sitesh?
Area in a square kilometer.
Obviously.
Sorry, sir, I don't.
You don't know?
No, sir.
Area wise, what is the position of Bihar in India?
Sorry, sir.
Which is the largest state of India?
Largest state area wise would be Rajasthan.
Then
Again, I am not sure. Madhya Pradesh maybe.
what is the male literacy rate of Bihar?
Male literacy rate, it's, I think, I don't know exact figure, but it is 76, I think, 74, 76%.
Okay. What are the bounding districts of Darbhanga?
Sir, in the north, we have Madhubani. In west of Darbhanga, there is Sitamarhi. In the west, we have Muzaffarpur. In south, Samastipur. And in east, there is Saharsa.
Okay. Which is the largest district of Bihar in population
Patna.
and in area?
Area, sir, not sure, but Purnia, I think.
Okay, Sitesh. Thank you, sir.
Sitesh, you have opted Maithili language and literature as optional.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maithili is recognized as a language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution,
Yes, sir.
whereas Bhojpuri is not.
Yes, sir.
What are the basic reasons? Only point out those reasons.
Sir, one I am aware of, that the literary history, the written literary history should be 500 to 1000 years back, which is must.
Okay.
And Bhojpuri lacks that
Okay.
criteria.
Okay. Only one. Anything else?
I am only aware of one, sir.
Okay. What are the connections between Maithili and Bangla?
Sir, I need to put this in
Sure.
Hindi.
Sure.
Hindi.
Please, you may.
बांग्ला में सर वर्तुलीकरण ज़्यादा होता है. Then rest I am not aware, sir.
Okay. इम्पैक्ट तो है ना, ये तो
yes
मानते
sir,
हैं.
yes sir, correct. So the history is same, which I am aware of.
Okay,
All of them got originated
okay,
from the same Indo-European family,
okay,
and till 1000 AD,
okay,
all of them were same in Upbranch language.
okay,
From there, Maithili chose a path of Avhat, then Maithili,
okay.
and Bangla directly came up into the Bangla language.
Okay. You have done your graduation from ISM Dhanbad,
Yes, sir.
which is very reputed institute in
Yes, sir.
petroleum engineering.
Yes, sir.
You are a petroleum engineer.
Yes, sir.
What is the future of petroleum industry? Why I am asking this question? Because many big players like Saudi Arabia and all that is trying to diversify their economy.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my question?
yes,
What
sir.
is the future of petroleum industry?
Sir, in near future, the future is bright. In near future, at least. But since a fossil fuel based resource, ultimately it will go away. There is no doubt about it. It has to go away. In near future, the competition is from renewable energy, and we
Like?
are exactly, yes sir,
Like,
solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy.
okay,
These energies have a bright future. And
okay,
we are quite not sure how it's going to play out in the near future. So this is the reason Saudi Arabia and the Arab countries who are heavily dependent on this,
okay.
they have decided to break free from this and started investing in the other economies and other form.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Last question from my side, Sitesh.
yes, sir.
Give any 3 reasons on the basis of which we can select you for this administrative post.
Yes, sir. Sir, first part of my life was in village, which I truly lived like and the first purpose was a son of an agriculture, which I duty performed. The second half have been in city.
Okay.
So I think I'm well equipped with the both phenomena which is undergoing in India, that is India versus Bharat,
Okay.
which I think I can be a good bridger. That is the first thing.
Okay.
Second thing, sir, I have a science background. Initially, I had a science background, which I tried to perform with the best of my ability. I got into a good college also. Then I thought I lacked that human emotion, the society aspect. So I went for Maithili literature, which has given me a very real understanding of the society. So from mechanical point of view and from social point of view, both I think I am well equipped to deal with all types of phenomena. So I can at the same time go with modern education. I know the benefits of it. At the second time, I understand the cultural phenomena of the state as well. Sir, the third point would be that personally I have experienced all those things which a common person understands in the requirement that a common person has in India. So I think I can address that very compassionately and empathically.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sitesh. Your interview is over now.
Yes, sir.
You
Thank
can
you
go.
so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sitesh. Firstly, rate yourself.
Sir, I need to improve on facts.
Okay. Very true.
Second, fluency has to be brought a bit more.
Okay.
Then I am not sure what expression I would ask this question, how to put expression, or was it okay? I am not aware of my expressions.
Okay. 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 Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Sitesh, generally we evaluate students on 2 fronts, on
Yes, sir.
personality and on content level.
Yes.
If you talk about the personality, you are very good. You are very up to the mark.
Thank
Means
you.
your entry, your exit, your communication skill, your facial expression. It is in fact very pleasant.
Thank you.
On this front, you are very up to the mark.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to do anything more. But on the content level, you will have to work,
Yes, sir.
especially on Bihar related current affairs,
Yes, sir.
population, sex ratio, and all that.
Yes, sir.
तो मतलब हमारा सजेशन यही है कि जब तक आपके पास समय है तब तक आप कंटेंट पे काम कीजिए।
Yes, sir.
बाकी आप यू आर रियली अ गुड कैंडिडेट
Yes, sir.
एंड डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू मेक इट।
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, अगर मेंस में अच्छा मार्क होगा तो डेफिनेटली आपका सिलेक्शन होगा और अच्छे रैंक के साथ होगा। तो हमारा यही आपको सुझाव है कि जो कंटेंट है उस पर आप जो है काम कीजिए अच्छे से। 20 तारीख को आपका इंटरव्यू है। यू आर लेफ्ट ओनली
21, sir.
12 13 हाँ सॉरी
21.
21
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके 13-14 डेज ओके। तो जब तक का समय है आप कंटेंट पे अच्छे से काम कीजिए और अच्छा है डेफिनेटली आपका सिलेक्शन होगा।
Thank you
ठीक
so
है,
much, sir.
ठीक।
I need to ask a bit, two
Please,
questions more,
प्लीज
sir.
प्लीज प्लीज
The first thing is I have mails also, UPSC mails next month.
ओके
So if there are discussions and I am compelled to say in interview, should I say that I have
श्योर
mails?
इट्स योर अचीवमेंट।
Yes, sir.
देयर इज नो नीड टू हाइड दिस फैक्ट।
Yes, sir.
इट्स योर अचीवमेंट।
Yes, sir.
क्यों नहीं आप क्यों छुपाएंगे इसको?
Yeah, this
हाँ?
is yes, sir.
मतलब यूपीएससी का मेंस देना क्या कोई मतलब वो थोड़ी है मतलब।
Yes, sir. And then the next question that they might ask is, तब तो आप छोड़ दोगे यूपीएससी में हो जाएगा, अगर आईएएस में तो बीपीएससी छोड़ दोगे तो सीट
छोड़-
खराब हो जाएगी।
देखिए एक चीज बता रहा हूँ,
Yes, sir.
अगर
हम्म,
किसी बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पे परफॉर्म करने की आपकी कैपेबिलिटी है,
yes, sir.
ठीक है, और आप कहीं छोटे प्लेटफॉर्म पे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने साथ भी इनजस्टिस कर रहे हैं और सोसाइटी और कंट्री के साथ तो कर ही रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
सबने अपना एक क्राइटेरिया फिक्स कर रखा है।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो आप एसडीएम बने बिहार में और किसी
ठीक है।
जिले के डीएम बने,
Yes, sir.
तो आप ये बताइए कि आपका एरिया किस में ज़्यादा बड़ा होगा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
DM. Yes, sir.
तो अगर वो इस फ्रंट पे आपको ग्रिल करते हैं
Yes,
तो
sir.
डेफिनेटली आप ऐसे कहिए कि सर अगर मेरे अंदर कैपेबिलिटी है
हम्म,
कि मैं पटना का डीएम बन सकता हूँ
yes, sir.
और ज़्यादा बड़े लेवल पे बड़ी अथॉरिटी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ काम कर सकता हूँ,
हम्म,
और मैं अगर एसडीएम बन के काम कर रहा हूँ तो इनफैक्ट मैं अपने साथ तो इनजस्टिस कर ही रहा हूँ, कहीं ना कहीं सोसाइटी और कंट्री के साथ भी कर रहा हूँ।
yes, sir.
आप इस तरह जस्टिफाई कीजिए,
Thank
ऐसा
you.
थोड़ी कि छोड़ दें। मतलब आप समझ रहे हैं कि नहीं कहने
Yes,
का
sir.
मतलब लॉजिकल बात कीजिए।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, उसमें ये नहीं कि छुपाने जैसा कुछ या
One more question, sir.
प्लीज श्योर।
How to balance out? Because I am really very focused on my UPSC this time around. Last time I mails by 40 marks, so
ओके
due to my optional, so I am really focused on that part.
ओके
It's not that I am not focused on my BPSC interview, but that is my dream. So how to balance out? If you can help me out.
एक्चुअली कहा जाता है ना जनरली वन इन हैंड इज बेटर देन टू इन बुश।
Yes, sir.
मतलब आप समझ रहे हैं।
Yes, sir.
तो अब जो चीज़ आपके एकदम करीब है, मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगा वो चीज़ बहुत बड़ी है यूपीएससी, लेकिन एकदम पास में है
Yes, sir.
आप, और ज़्यादा समय भी नहीं है, मतलब आप इसको थोड़ा सा मैं कहूँगा कि प्रपोर्शनेट इसको ज़्यादा समय दीजिए
Yes,
और
sir.
थोड़ा वहाँ मतलब उसको एकदम छोड़ मत दीजिए।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, यहाँ सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा तो एक आपका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बिल्ड होगा
Yes, sir.
और तमाम तरह के एग्ज़ामों को देने से भी बचेंगे कि हाँ एक जगह हो गया ऊपर, ठीक
Yes,
है।
sir.
तो बैलेंस बनाइए, मैं यही कहूँगा।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
ठीक
you
है,
so
यू
much.
वेलकम,
Thank you so
ऑल
much.
द बेस्ट, ऑल द
Thank you.
बेस्ट।